In today's video, we are going to be looking at a question on sequence. So we are given the first five terms of a sequence, and we are asked to find in terms of n the nth term of this sequence. Now, the first thing you need to ask yourself is, what type of sequence is this? So this is what we're going to do. We have several types of sequence. We have the linear sequence, we have the geometric or the exponential sequence, and we have the quadratic sequence. So we have to first of all classify our sequence into either of the three that I've mentioned. So how do we know if the sequence is linear or not? What you have to do is you look for the difference between the terms. If the difference between the terms is the same, we say that such a sequence is a linear sequence. So what is the difference between 14 and 9? That is 5. The difference between 14 and 9 is 5. The difference between 19 and 14 is 5. The difference between 24 and 19 is 5. So the difference between 29 and 24 is 5. So therefore, this means that this sequence is a linear sequence. Great. Now, since this is a linear sequence, I'm going to be teaching you a very simple trick to get your nth term. So what you're going to do is this. The difference that you got is 5. So you're going to write 5n. Right? You're going to write 5n. Now, you pick when n is 1. So when n is 1, I'm going to be having 5 times 1, which is 5. So what can I add to 5 that will give me the first term of my sequence? 5 plus what will give me 9? That is 4. So I'm going to do plus 4. So this is the nth term of your sequence. Such a very simple method. Now let's confirm if our nth term is right or wrong. So if I pick the first term, 5 times 1 is 5 plus 4, that gives me 9. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 4, that gives me 14. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 4, that gives me 19. So I'm very sure that by the time you continue for all of the numbers in your sequence, they are going to be satisfying what we have for an nth term. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.